Hi, my name is Judy Klass, and I wrote this song after the rain, I guess to help myself and some other people get through some really hard times in these last few years. Where does the light go? In darkness and shadow. It's hard to believe it still shines. I know the thunder can lead you to wonder if you'll make it through these hard times. When you've got the blues and the sky is bruised with gray clouds pouring down the pane, you've got more than pride. Hear that voice inside say you can fight, you'll rise again. So you'll believe, you'll live to see the rainbow after the rain. I've known depression, I make that confession to show you how I made it through. I've got no exemption, but I found redemption, and you can survive this storm too. When you've got the blues and the sky is bruised with gray clouds pouring down the pane, you've got more than pride. Hear that voice inside say you can fight, you'll rise again. So you'll believe, you'll live to see the rainbow after the rain. The night gets so black and the ghosts are so pale. They whisper, you hurt us, we hurt you, you fell. A lightning bolt stabs, you shiver with cold. But the morning will come and dress the world in gold. When you've got the blues and the sky is bruised with gray clouds pouring on the pane, you've got more than pride. Hear that voice inside say you can fight, you'll rise again. So you'll believe, you'll live to see the rainbow after the rain.